Hello friends, welcome to another quick tutorial, and in this video I will show you how you can enable and use USB debugging feature on your Samsung Galaxy F23 or F23 5G. So first of all, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new in this channel. So to enable and use USB debugging option on your Galaxy F23 or F23 5G, first of all you just need to enable developer option and then just go to developer option feature as I am showing you in this video to enable USB debugging.